And the sewer lines are in. This is running on the back side of the house. And they had to put the sewer lines before we fill this whole thing with dirt. We're boarding a train to go to Rome, to the Vatican. We're in Rome. The carne asada burrito in the Philippines. Her wish was for us to feed the children in our community, and that's what we're doing now. Now I have over 1,000 installs. I'm one of the top earners in the company. This is my powered life. So that's been done in the last week and a half, and I always want to show this house in perspective from what it looks like on the street. So you can see the walls are going up and the house is starting to take form. The solarium is, the structure is built. Now you just need to clean up the plastering. The walls are being built here. That's actually the exterior wall, which is the fence line also. And that's the sunken carport. And if you've been looking at this picture from even 2 weeks ago, it didn't look like this. So it's starting to get shape. It's starting to take shape. A lot of things going on at the site today. As you can see, the solarium the structure is done. And we're done with all the flooring. The electrical guys are here, the plumbers are here. The masonry guys are building walls. So it's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna give you a quick look at what's going on at WallyWorld today. And the sewer lines are in. This is running on the back side of the house. And they had to put the sewer lines before we fill this whole thing with dirt. These lines are for the master bedroom. Sink and faucet and water lines for the master bedroom. More sewer lines. More sewer lines. Plumbing team has been busy. Check out that view from the backyard today. The clouds are lifting. And light is streaming from the clouds to the areas of the volcano. It's pretty amazing. day I'm here, just feel so blessed that we're actually here. Let's take a look at it from this view. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's more fun than WallyWorld. Definitely more beautiful than WallyWorld.